Hey guys, good morning. Today is the day that I'm going to get my hair cut. Very, very exciting. Don't mind my frizz going on right now. I have no product in my hair at all. But I asked you guys on Instagram yesterday if you would be interested in me filming my haircut. And I know last time I got a haircut, I lost all the footage because I lost my phone. So we're going to try not to do that today. I have my actual camera, so let's pray that this works because a lot of you said, well, pretty much everyone said, yes, please film it. And I have some questions that I will ask the stylist. I did also get a question as to whether or not I'm getting a diva cut, and no, I'm not. I'm going to a Ouidad Salon. They also specialize in curly haircuts. Actually, a few years ago, before I even got into like doing hair videos or started taking care of my curls correctly, or maybe this was the beginning of me starting to take care of my hair. But anyway, I went to a local salon where they had Ouidad Stylist and they cut my hair, and that was a really good haircut, so I'm excited. I don't want a lot of length off because I want my hair long for my wedding, which is in 3 months, so I don't want to take too much off. So yeah, I'm about to get out of my car, hop on the train, head into the city, and I will see you guys there. Hey guys, so I wanted to jump on here really quickly and show you guys what my hair looks like. I didn't have time to film like an after shot at the salon because I was kind of in a rush to leave. Also, when I was getting my hair cut, this was the first time that I was like working with this particular stylist, and I had asked her, okay, Maggie, I had asked her if I could film, and she really didn't want to like speak on camera, and then I felt like uncomfortable filming. But I did get some clips of her cutting my hair. Sorry, Maggie's playing in the background. She's gonna start playing with her toy now. And then I also know that you guys had asked questions. Instead of her answering them like on camera, I asked her and then I wrote down her responses. I did want to answer some of the questions that you guys had. So someone had asked what was the best way to add volume to curly hair, and she said layers and products make a big difference. So you want to use lighter products such as gel or foams for more volume, and adding layers to your hair is going to make a huge difference. Someone had asked about thinning out your hair to make it less bulky, and she recommended for sure thinning out your curls. Specifically, Ouidad uses the carve and slice method, which is meant to target bulkiness. So she kind of would like go through my hair and feel where there was more bulk and kind of slim it down that way. For me personally, I don't really need that to an extreme level because my hair isn't that big, I should say. So this actually wasn't a question, but I thought this was interesting because they did a wet cut on me, and I had always thought like curly hair needs to be cut dry. So I kind of learned that dry cuts can make your hair look a bit more choppy. She said that dry cuts are usually more for girls who have tighter coils or tighter curls. It just tends to work out a little bit better on that hair type. She also made a good point. She said that your curls look different like every single day. So you could either go in for a haircut on a really good curly day or, you know, a really bad hair day, and your haircut's going to look different based on how it was cut in that kind of like more rough chop. Yeah, I just thought that was interesting. I'm like legit melting right now. I'm so sorry. Like I have sweat coming down my head. It is so hot. I also wanted to let you know what I ask for, because when I go in and ask for a haircut, is generally the same thing, like no matter where I go. So I asked for longer layers, but I said that I don't want too many layers because it tends to make my hair look thin at the bottom, because like I said, I don't have that much fullness to my hair. So when you have too many like shorter layers, it leaves you with this really thin like underneath layer, and it just makes your hair look thinner overall. So I do like layers to add body, but I tend to keep them longer. And I also always ask for shorter pieces to frame my face, and then I always want to keep as much length as possible. But I did end up getting like 4 inches cut off, maybe more, just because it's really been a while since I got like an actual haircut, and I did need quite a bit of length off. That's okay. I kind of had a little freak out moment like right after I got my haircut, and I was like, wow, this is so short. And I texted Vid and I was like, oh my god, my hair is so short. But I came home and he's like, it's not short. Like I was expecting you to like come back with hair like up to here. But now looking at it, I absolutely love it. I think it looks so good. It has such like a nice shape to it. I am totally obsessed. So I will leave her information down below if you guys are in like the New York, New Jersey area. So let's just go ahead and get onto the clips.